Hey guys, so the game that I chose goes over phonological awareness, specifically phoneme matching, and this game is called Phoneme Dominoes. The objective is that the student will match initial phonemes in words, and the only materials that you need are the domino picture cards, and it says that you can copy them on cardstock, cut and laminate them, but I just cut them out. So the first step is that students will just scatter the domino cards at random on a flat surface face up. The first card that the student should use is the one with the start sign on it. After identifying the card that has the start sign on it, the student will look at the picture on the other side of the domino, which would be this one, identify what the picture depicts, and then see what the starting sound is of that picture. As you can see, there is a plant on the other side of this domino, so the student should identify that plant starts with a P sound or a P. The next step is to look for a domino that has an initial sound, so the student will look at the other dominoes, identify what those pictures are, and go through what each initial sound is. They should come to find that this domino would be the next one that they pick up because it has a pig on this side, and pig starts with the same initial sound as plant. The student will then connect the two dominoes and continue to play the game just as described. I didn't cut all the dominoes out, but they should eventually come to a domino that has a stop sign on it, which signifies the end of the game. After the game is over, there is a chance for peer evaluation.